Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to add and use PayPal in Target mobile app and website, how it works in Target app and website. As we all know, Target supports a different mode of payment like Target EBT, Target Wallet, Red cards, credit card and debit cards, different gift cards, Apple Pay, etc. etc. PayPal is no exception. We can use PayPal in Target app and website. First, we will see how to add PayPal into the Target mobile app. So to add the PayPal to the Target mobile app, we will need open Target app. Then the Target home screen will get visible. Now we have to navigate to My Target tab. Then select this gear icon. After that, settings page will get visible. Now we have to select payment cards. Here we have to add our PayPal debit card or PayPal cash card. Now select the credit debit as your payment card type and hits continue. Now enter your PayPal cash card details here along with your billing address and your phone number. This is how we can add PayPal to Target app. After adding PayPal to Target mobile app, now we will see how to add PayPal into Target website. So open Target website first. Log in with your Target credentials. Now it will bring you to Target website homepage. We have to select this account icon. Now scroll a little bit and you will see payment option. Select payments and here you can add payment cards. Now keep as it is and enter your PayPal cash card details here. After that, select set as default payment card and hit save, and your PayPal cash card will get saved to Target payments. And after that, you can able to use PayPal to pay any payment in Target online store.